once again.
Assalamu alaikum, Taha Shahid. Welcome to my another video. Today I will tell you about evaluation of derivatives in Python. So today we will use Monte Carlo Estimator. With the use of this estimator, we will find the value of the European call option. Okay, so let's start. Input numpy as np. Now parameter values per. First of all, we will set initial index level S0 is equal to 100. Okay, this is our initial index level. And we will set strike price up to 105. We will set time to maturity is equal to 1. Then we will set riskless short rate R is equal to 0. Riskless short rate. Okay, that's fine. Then we will set sigma. Sigma means volatility up to 0.2. Volatility. Then we set number of simulations. I is equal to 1 lakh. And numbers of simulations. Now we will set evaluation algorithm. Evaluation algorithm. Suppose we set procedure random numbers. Okay, that's done. Np.random dot standard underscore normal I is our procedure random numbers. Okay, then we will set index values at maturity st is equal to s0 multiplied by np dot x r minus 0.5 multiplied by sigma square multiplied by np multiplied by t time to maturity. Okay, plus sigma multiplied by np dot square root of t multiplied by set brackets. This is our index values at maturity. Now we will set inner values at maturity h capital T is equal to np dot maximum st capital ST minus k and 0. So this is our inner values at maturity. Okay, fine. Now we will set we will put the formula of Monte Carlo estimator CO is equal to NP dot X minus R multiplied by capital T and then multiplied by NP dot sum of HT by that's over Monte Carlo estimator. Now values of the European call option 5.3F. So that's how we will find valuation of derivatives through Monte Carlo estimator. So thank you and keep watching our videos.